Inside Agritechnica takes you behind the scenes to explore how the world's largest exhibition of agricultural machinery unfolds in the city of Hanover. We are already on site as the setup takes shape. Few exhibitions in Germany attract such enormous crowds. Various top industry leaders from around the world have made the long journey to showcase their machines here in Hanover. With only 14 days to go before the grand opening, many manufacturers are already hard at work assembling their stands. In this video, we present some of the most remarkable, iconic and powerful tractors on display at this year's Agritechnica. We were given an exclusive preview of several exhibition stands and even helped out on some of the maneuvering. Hall 13 is one of the most visited spots at Agritechnica, and this is where John Deere is showcasing the world's most powerful series-built tractor. Rolling into position with millimeter precision is an easy task for this giant, which delivers an impressive 913 HP. With an empty operating weight of more than 33 tons, the 9RX is also among the heaviest machines on display in Hanover. We had the chance to drive the combination with the 9-meter wide Köckerling Vector ourselves during its European premiere for a new product test drive video. You can find the link in the video description. Almost all exhibit items have already arrived at the neighboring Claas stand 12 days before the start of the fair. At 5,200 square meters, the stand area is only slightly smaller than 2 years ago and covers the entire product range, from harvesting through logistics all the way up to tractors. The agricultural machinery scene is buzzing with anticipation over a new tractor launch from Claas, although it remains under wraps for now. We have, however, already presented the new forage harvesters in a test drive in California. Right next door, Hall 27 spans an area larger than 4 football fields, making it the largest hall at the exhibition center in Hanover. Oettinger and Krone, among others, will be setting up here during Agritechnica week. There is still plenty of room to maneuver the Big X comfortably, but that will soon change as assembly progresses. We are currently busy preparing our own space. The first machines are already being carefully positioned in the background. Slowly but surely, activity is starting to pick up at the stand. The carpet has been laid and covered with a protective tarpaulin. There is much to prepare in the coming days to get our new products ready for display. For us, Agritechnica has always meant a lot of preparation and tons of fun. The logistical effort involved is considerable. At Krone alone, the stand builder needs around 20 truckloads to transport all their equipment. In addition, 25 exhibit items, including large machines, need to be transported. Fortunately, the factory in Spelle, located in the Emsland region, is relatively close by. This combine harvester has traveled well over 10,000 kilometers to reach Hanover. Chinese manufacturer Zoomlion ranks among the top 3 largest construction machinery manufacturers in the country and is also active in the agricultural sector. What makes this combine harvester special is its hybrid drive, which combines a 480 HP diesel engine with an 11 kWh battery to smooth power peaks. According to the manufacturer, this system can deliver over 600 HP for short bursts. Zoomlion is also applying hybrid technology to its tractors and is exhibiting 3 models here in Hanover, with power outputs of 160, 260 and 350 HP. Since Zoomlion acquired Rabe in 2020, the company has been proudly showcasing Rabe's soil cultivation implements in their distinctive green at the exhibition. The classic Rabe blue, however, will remain the signature color on the machinery. Versatile will also be setting up a stand in Hall 5. After 5 consecutive years of participation, we will be returning to Agritechnica in 2025. This fits perfectly, with Canada being named the partner country for this year's exhibit. We spared no effort to transport 6 tractors and a soil cultivation implement all the way to Hanover. The logistics of shipping from Canada took over 4 weeks, but Agritechnica is well worth the effort. We are really excited for the show to kick off soon. The other 2 partner countries, France and Czechia, are also well represented by several manufacturers. To effectively manage visitor flow, the major tractor brands are spread across the 39-hectare exhibition grounds. Trucks are being unloaded one after another near Hall 3. The latest arrival includes the new Opta model. Two weeks before Agritechnica, machinery came in from factories in Belgium, Austria, and even overseas, and we coordinate the entire process. Once the area is dry, we will gradually move everything into the hall starting this weekend. So far, I'm feeling very confident that everything will go smoothly. Our stand builders are already working hard, and I hope we will be able to start moving in soon. New Holland, Steyr, and Case IH will be showcasing their full portfolios, including harvesting technology and construction machinery. The quad track is sure to be a crowd favorite. The new 853 HP top-tier model will make its European debut at Agritechnica. We have already given the tracked tractor a warm-up. The AGCO brands Massey Ferguson, Valtra and Fendt are located in Hall 20. 12 days before trade fair begins, tracked and large tractors are being driven into the hall during our shoot. Fine-tuning the 673 HP Vario MT is no easy task, as even the slightest steering movements could damage the floor covering. Setting up Agritechnica is a team effort across all the exhibition halls. Then, a very special exhibit rolls into Hall 20, right in front of our cameras. With the favorite 926 Vario, Fendt is celebrating 30 years of continuously variable transmission technology. This iconic tractor will be featured in a 2-part series on our YouTube channel at the end of November. All we can say is that it is going to be legendary. 1 week later, a lot has happened at the exhibition grounds. The critical phase for the organizers is now underway.
4 Tage bis zur Messe, heute ist Mittwoch.
Only 4 days left until the trade fair. You can see from the movement in the background, a lot is happening here. The machines are being delivered and forklifts are constantly on the move. Theme days are a new addition this year, kicking off with Sunday as Innovation Day, which will highlight new products. Monday and Tuesday are agribusiness days, emphasizing investments and business contacts in a somewhat quieter setting. Wednesday is International Farmers' Day, when we expect visitors from 150 countries, including many guests from this year's partner countries, Canada, France and Czechia. Thursday will focus on digitalization, robotics, AI and related innovations. Friday is Young Professionals' Day, dedicated entirely to careers in agriculture. I am genuinely excited about this event. My team has invested 2 years of hard work into making it happen, and we are eagerly looking forward to the world's #1 farm show.
Mit dem Fokus auf die Innovationskraft, die Strahlkraft, die wir einfach auf dieser Messe, dieser World's #1 erleben dürfen.
The exhibition stands are taking shape, and during our tour of Hall 20, we discovered 2 remarkable highlights. Next to the Massey Ferguson stand, a very special 8S tractor is rolling into place. This tractor made history as the first ever to complete the grueling 3,000-kilometer Morocco Desert Challenge. Nearby, Valtra is showcasing its S-Series with an impressive set of tires, demonstrating the possibilities in equipment and design through the Unlimited program. This year, Nexat's giants are located in Hall 12, where the 2 exhibits require considerable space. At 28 meters wide, it is likely the widest machine at the exhibition. Fine-tuning is also underway in Hall 5. In addition to its comprehensive portfolio of tractors, Kubota is showcasing numerous autonomous special-purpose machines for wine, fruit, and vegetable cultivation. Optimizing resources is a central theme throughout the exhibition, which we already highlighted in part 1 of Inside Agritechnica. You can find the link in the video description. Deutz-Fahr in Hall 4 will be showcasing its new generation of tractors. The manufacturer is using Sunday morning to unveil its latest products. We are excited for Agritechnica 2025 and hope this video has given you at least a glimpse into this year's exhibition. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like or subscribe to stay updated.